Welcome to the orientation course on typhoons. A typhoon is a type of large storm system having a circular or spiral system of violent winds, typically hundreds of kilometers or miles in diameter. The winds spiral around a region of low atmospheric pressure. Typhoon is the name of these storms that occur in the western Pacific. Hurricane is the name given to these storms in the Atlantic Ocean and Eastern Pacific. In the Indian Ocean, they are called tropical cyclones. How do typhoons form? Typhoons occur when a rough weather wave using the Earth's rotation begins to rotate. The potential of generating a pressure system increases if this wave spins into a complete circle, with higher pressure on the outside and a low pressure center. If the system maintains its rotation and begins to spiral at a rate greater than 65 knots or 74 miles per hour, it is referred to as a tropical cyclone or typhoon. What are the dangers of typhoons? Storm surge and storm tide. Storm surge is an abnormal rise of water generated by a storm's winds. Storm surge can reach heights well over 20 feet and can span hundreds of miles of coastline. Storm tide is the water level rise during a storm due to the combination of storm surge and astronomical tide. Heavy rainfall and inland flooding. Tropical cyclones often produce widespread torrential rains in excess of 6 inches, which may result in deadly and destructive floods. In fact, flooding is the major threat from tropical cyclones for people living inland. Flash flooding, defined as a rapid rise in water levels, can occur quickly due to intense rainfall. Though some part or upper part of Cavite does not usually experience flooding, but we must be very careful because of the presence of rivers. These rivers may suddenly overflow during a typhoon. We must follow government announcements and reminders during a typhoon as to the level of rainfall that may hit our part of the province. High winds. Tropical storm force winds are strong enough to be dangerous to those caught in them. For this reason, emergency managers plan on having their evacuations complete and their personnel sheltered before the onset of tropical storm force winds. Rip currents. The strong winds of a tropical cyclone can cause dangerous waves that pose a significant hazard to mariners and coastal residents and visitors. When the waves break along the coast, they can produce deadly rip currents, even at large distances from the storm. Typhoon brings a lot of dangers, both to life and property. We must be prepared to face these dangers before typhoons hit us. Understanding and preparation for these dangers is important for us to survive.